Okay, we're just going to look at adding a voiceover to a video track. So you've created your video, you brought it into Premiere, ready to edit it, or you've edited it in Premiere and you want to add a voiceover. To do this, okay, you select the video track in the timeline. Sorry, let me just remove my existing audio track. So you've just got your video. You might have some audio on there that you want to remove. You can just simply click on that and press delete to remove it. You click on the video track, you go to the settings button here, which is the spanner icon, click on, select customize audio header, go to the microphone icon here, select this and drag it onto the audio layer. Okay, and then OK it. Now you might find you can't see it once you've dragged it on. You can just OK, then you click on the audio layer. You can then expand that view, clicking on the sliders here, so we can see all the properties of that particular layer, and you'll see the microphone icon appear. OK, then if you right click on that audio layer, now you've added the icon, you can select voiceover record settings, and then you can click on the drop down next to source and select your whatever you're using. So I've got a microphone connected to a headset here, so if I select that, okay, one or two other options in there actually are worth looking at. So you've got the pre-roll here set to 3 seconds, so this is a count in that you get just to prepare you to ready to record, and then there's a count out at the end as well. Now you might find if you start recording that you get an echo. Okay, to remove the echo you just need to go into Edit, Preferences, Audio. Okay, and then in here you'll see Mute Input during timeline recording. Just make sure that's checked, okay, because by default that's not checked, so you need to make sure that's checked. And then when you're ready to record, you click on the actual microphone icon here. Okay, it'll count you in, and then you are ready to record, and you'll see that the timeline starts playing automatically, the playhead starts moving, and then it will record you in real time as the video plays through. Okay, so you're narrating adding a voiceover to the video in real time. So you can see my video playing now here. Okay, to stop recording, just click on the microphone icon and you'll see that your voiceover appears here in the timeline. Okay, so that's how you add a voiceover.